Narrated, Ubadah bin as-Samit, who took part in the Battle of Badr and was a Naqib, a person heading a group of 6 persons, on the night of al-Aqaba pledge. Allah's apostle said while a group of his companions were around him, "Swear allegiance to me for 1. Not to join anything in worship along with Allah. 2. Not to steal. 3. Not to commit illegal sexual intercourse. 4. Not to kill your children. 5. Not to accuse an innocent person, to spread such an accusation among people. 6. Not to be disobedient, when ordered, to do good deed." The Prophet added, "Whoever among you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah, and whoever indulges in any one of them, except the ascription of partners to Allah, and gets the punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for that sin. And if one indulges in any of them, and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to him to forgive or punish him in the hereafter." Ubadah bin as-Samit added, "So we swore allegiance for these," points to Allah's apostle.